Garcia, R3 West.
To our guest of honor speaker, very worshipful Adrian E. Bugtong, District Deputy Grand Master for Nueva Ecija West, for and in behalf of the officers and members of Jose R. Dizon Deputy Alumni Chapter under dispensation, we welcome you most cordially to the first public installation of officers and the institution ceremony.
R. Mendoza, Master Counselor of Nueva Ecija Chapter Order of Picure, and Sis Rose Anne Redel P. Mendoza, the Board Advisor of Mayumi Assembly Number 24, 6th admission to this chapter room.
Brother Stolen Deacon, you will retire, after which you will present and introduce the heads of the Masonic Youth Organization west of the outer. Brother Stolen Marshall will accompany. Brother Master Counselor of Nueva Ecija Chapter, Sister Worthy Advisor of Mayumi Assembly, for and in behalf of the officers and members
Jose R. Dizon, Masonic Lodge number 264, and that Worshipful Master M.P. Bartolome of General Manuel Tino, Masonic Lodge number 167.
Worshipful Master, sir, for and in behalf of the officers and members of Jose R. Dizon, Deputy Alumni Chapter under dispensation of Yupa Nueva Ecija, we welcome you most cordially to our first public installation of officers and
Jennifer Nadalo, Passport Patron and Secretary of Militaria R. Dizon Chapter Order number 30, Order of Eastern Star, 6th admission to this chapter room.
Brother Stolen Deacon, you will retire, after which you will present and introduce the heads of the elected bodies west of the outer. Brother Stolen Marshall, you will accompany.
Officer and the Deputy Executive Officers of the Supreme Council, Order of Picure of the Republic of the Philippines, 6th admission to this chapter room.
Brother Stolen Deacon, you will retire, after which you will present the officers of the Supreme Council, Order of Picure of the Republic of the Philippines, west of the outer. Brother Stolen Marshall, you will accompany.
Brother Historic Officer, it is my utmost pleasure to present to you the Supreme Council Officers of the Supreme Council Order of the Republic of the Philippines, headed by Executive Officer Brother Hannibal Bermejo, Chevalier, Legion of Honor, Frank Sherman Rand, Centennial Fellow, and Deputy Executive Officer rather than Chibalier, and rather than Dean Barry Lau, Deputy Executive Officer of RP South.
Honorable Executive
of the Dimulay Alumni Association of the Philippines, 6th admission to this chapter room.
Brother Installed Deacon, you will retire, after which you will present and introduce west of the altar the national officers of the Devonate Alumni Association of the Philippines. Brother Installed Marshall, you will accompany.
Our National President, Brother Melvin M. Benimliu, Chibalier, Cross of Honor, Legion of Honor, Frank Sherman Lang, Centennial Senior Knight, Order of Evil, and Illustrious Knight Commander of the Court of Honor, and Brother Gary Marasigan, Past President, Chibalier, the Jurisdictional Vice President for Central Luzon A, and Brother Benvin Estolano, Past President, Chibalier, Cross of Honor.
Our Honorable National President of the Devonate.
Thank you po. Very worshipful Adrian E. Bugdong, our District Deputy Grandmaster, Masonic District Archdeacon Sylvester, dignitaries in the list, brethren, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant good afternoon to all of us. Good afternoon po. Being the incumbent worshipful master of Jose R. Dizon Masonic Lodge number 264, and as the sponsoring lodge of Nueva Ecija chapter number 56, Order of the Devonate, as well.
Friends, dignitaries in the east, dignitaries in the floor, brothers, sisters, moms, and dads. And gusto ko lang po i-congratulate nyo Dr. Jose R. Dizon Dimulay Alumni Chapter para po sa institution and first public installation of officers. At sana po maging successful ang araw na sa installation ninyo. And gusto ko lang po i-share sa inyo kaya po share ko sa aking mga sisters sa International Order of the Rainbow for Girls. Confident ako na I'm still living up to the values na natutunan ko when I joined International Order of the Rainbow for Girls. Dahil gaya nga po nasabi ko ng installation nila, hanggang ngayon po ay nagagamit ko yung values na yun na natutunan ko bilang isang young legislator and public servant. Yun lang po, congratulations and maraming salamat po sa invitation.
By the Devonate Alumni Association of the Philippines as installing officer, I now declare this alumni chapter, Jose R. Dizon Devonate Alumni Chapter under dispensation, duly open for the purpose of installation.
Due respect
To their duly constituted authorities.
to the duly constituted authorities.
To all these,
To all this,
in earnest pursuit
in earnest pursuit
of empowering
of empowering
and developing the youth,
and developing the youth
community,
community
and Devonate,
and Devonate.
covenant and vow.
Covenant.
Thank you. At syempre po, sa lahat po ng senior Dimulays, sa lahat po ng Rainbow, active Dimulays, Brother Masons, fellow Chevy, fellow Legionnaires, fellow Ebon, sa Knights, fellow Knights. Good afternoon po. Good afternoon po to everyone. Good afternoon. Lahat naman na nasabi ko sana. Opo. So, sa mga officers po ng ating
Demolay Alumni Association of the Philippines, located at Gimba, Nueva Ecija. Whereas said petition have been reviewed and found to be meritorious, having complied with all of the documentary prerequisites and financial requirements, and with the best endeavor to promote and advocate the principles and statutes of the Order of Demolay, and to implement and undertake policies, programs, and projects of the Demolay Alumni Association of the Philippines for the youth and community. Now, therefore, by the authority vested upon me as the National President of the Demolay Alumni Association of the Philippines, and with the concurrence of the Grand Master of the Supreme Council Order of Demolay of the Republic of the Philippines, do hereby grant this letters temporary to Dr. Jose R. Dizon, Demolay Alumni Chapter, under dispensation.